In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule tasks in Gumloop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a task that runs on your schedule, whether it repeats or happens just once. Start by opening Gumloop in your browser and head to the dashboard. On the main screen, look for the Tasks button with a plus sign next to it. This is your starting point for creating something new. Click it to open the Creation panel, where you'll see different options for how you want your task to run. From here, choose Scheduled Task. This tells Gumloop you want the task to run automatically at a specific time rather than manually. After that, you'll be asked to choose between recurring and one time. Recurring is perfect for things you need on a regular cadence, like weekly reports or daily summaries. One time is great for a single run, such as a one-off data pull or a reminder for a specific event. If you select recurring, begin by typing in a clear descriptive name. Pick something that makes the purpose obvious at a glance so it's easy to find later. Next, generate the schedule. This is where you define when and how often the task should run. Set the frequency, the days, and the exact time that works best. If a time zone option is available, make sure it matches where you need the task to run, especially if your team works across regions. It helps to think about dependencies and avoid times when your data sources may be updating or systems may be busier than usual. Now type in the prompt. This is the instruction your task follows, so be specific and action-oriented. Include any context or parameters. The task needs to deliver the right outcome. If your task supports variables or placeholders, keep your structure consistent so the task behaves predictably every time. Once everything looks good, take a moment to review your choices. Confirm the name is accurate, the schedule is correct, and the prompt clearly communicates what you want. When you're confident, click Create. Gumloop will save the configuration and prepare the task to run on the schedule you defined. If you opted for a one-time run, it will be queued for that single moment. If you chose recurring, it will run automatically at each interval. That's it. You've set up a scheduled task in Gumloop from start to finish with a clear name, a precise schedule, and a focused prompt ready to run exactly when you need it.